Welcome to Thumper Fab. Today we're going to be installing the Nerf rails on the Polaris Ranger. So let's get started. Here's what's in the box and what you'll need for the install. Your Nerf rail kit comes with the following: your Nerf rails, the rail brackets, and a hardware kit. Tools you're going to need: drill, 1.5 inch or 38mm hole saw drill bit, a 13/32 inch drill bit, a small drill bit for a pilot hole, 2 17mm combo wrenches. The first step is to drill holes in the lower side panels. Today we're installing on the regular cab Ranger, so we'll be drilling 3 holes on each side. If you're installing on the crew cab, you'll be drilling 4 holes. Not to worry, the panels come from the factory with the hole mark indents for the Nerf rail installations. I recommend drilling a pilot hole in the center of the marked circle before beginning to drill with the pole saw. Once you've cut the holes through the plastic panel, you will be able to see the holes in the frame through which you'll feed your installation bolts. Use the 13/32 inch drill bit to enlarge these frame holes so the bolts can pass through. Now mount the brackets to the Nerf rails using the shorter bolts. For each side there are 2 bolts that go through and secure with nuts and 1 that screws into the back of the bracket. Tighten the bolts. Now go ahead and install the Nerf rail through the drilled holes. The tubular L bracket you just mounted has its own bolt end, but you'll need to run the larger remaining bolts through the 2 mounting points on the Nerf rail. Use the nuts and washers to secure. You'll need the 2 combo wrenches to get into some of the tight spots to reach the nuts to tighten. Make sure all your bolts are tightened. That's it, you're ready to ride.